biotechnology allows us to create incredible things such as highly specific enzymes, cultured food products, and life-saving medicine. However, setting up robust bioprocesses is quite complex, and empirical approaches are time-consuming, error-prone, and expensive. We wanted to change the way how bioprocesses are designed and optimized, and it was back in 2019 when we founded Novasign as a spin-off from BOKU University in Vienna. From our comprehensive understanding about bioprocessing in software development, we combine smart experimental design with latest state-of-the-art modeling solutions in an easy-to-use software in order to simplify the decision-making of bioprocess engineers.
Our software streamlines the development process, reducing experiments by as much as 70% in both upstream and downstream operations. These advanced models are not only beneficial during scale-up, but are also vital for continuous monitoring and control during manufacturing. Our software is not just designed for our clients, but it's also co-developed with them. This approach extends our network, connecting us with more clients and solution providers. Ultimately, it's about linking data, devices, and models in practical ways to improve our solution's effectiveness and reach.
Today, we are shortening the development timelines of our clients by applying our bioprocess experience and modeling software in both feasibility studies and full development projects. Our team of bioprocess experts supports clients in development and MSAT on specific bioprocess modeling projects, supports them in using our software, and can even perform experiments for them so that they can focus on their core business. We found that the secret in our clients' success unfolds in a streamlined workflow, including smart experimental planning, fast data retrieval, solid modeling algorithms, as well as sound interpretation of the underlying data. Thereby, we help our clients to develop more robust processes in significantly less time.
Novasign can assist you in accelerating your bioprocess development in the leanest possible way.